Mavic 3 Classic from DJI comes with most of the advanced features at a reasonable price. You'll get almost every feature that the original Mavic 3 posts, and this way the Mavic 3 Classic reduced the gap between professional and beginner drone users. But is it really worth it to go for while the DJI Air 2S is still in the market? We know the Air 2S is not new, but by combining compact design and the best technology, it is an all-around drone that you can get. So let's put them side by side to find out who beats who. As per the design goes, the brand new DJI Mavic 3 Classic looks exactly similar to its master, the DJI Mavic 3. The only thing you have to give up is the telephoto lens. Apart from that, everything is identical. The Mavic 3 Classic is obviously larger and heavier than the Air 2S, while both drones boast foldable arms. That actually helps them to fit into your backpack and carry them a lot easier. Furthermore, the Mavic 3 Classic weighs 895 grams, whereas the Air 2S weighs only 595 grams, which is pretty impressive for Air 2S even after having so many advanced features built into it. But being lightweight does have a disadvantage, which is flying it against heavy wind won't be easy. As we mentioned earlier, there is no telephoto lens available in the Mavic 3 Classic, so it has just one camera. But the impressive part is you're getting the exact same camera as the original Mavic 3, which is a 4x3 and CMOS sensor with a 20 megapixel resolution. Also, the camera is provided by Hasselblad itself, allowing the drone to capture more raw color and details. On the other hand, the DJI Air 2S is equipped with a 20 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor. As you can see, both have similar camera resolution, but the Mavic 3 Classic has a larger sensor, meaning it will capture more light compared to the Air 2S. Furthermore, the Mavic 3 Classic comes with a 24mm equivalent lens with an aperture range of f-stop 2.8 to f-stop 11, whereas the Air 2S has a 22mm equivalent with an aperture of f-stop 2.8 here. Again, the Mavic 3 Classic earns a point for ensuring an adjustable aperture and a much greater degree of control. Anyway, the Mavic 3 Classic is capable of shooting 5.1 Kelvin resolution video at up to 50 FPS as well as 4 Kelvin up to 120 FPS. On the other hand, the Air 2S allows you to record 5.4K videos at up to 30 FPS and 4K at up to 60 FPS. In terms of slow motion video, you have to choose the 1080p recording option to get 120 FPS. Let's talk about performance and features. According to DJI, object tracking has been improved with the Active Track 5.0 instead of the Active Track 4.0 that Air 2S comes with. Both also support features like master shots, time-lapse, panorama, and hyperlapse. Moreover, to fly through hazardous routes independently, the Mavic 3 Classic is equipped with a Pass 5.0 obstacle avoidance that ensures 360-degree obstacle sensing. But the Air 2S comes with 4-directional obstacle sensing, so there are some blind spots. Both drones have the ability to detect nearby airplanes or helicopters, all thanks to ADS-B Air Sense. But the Mavic 3 Classic has something extra, which is the cruise control. With that, you can fly the drone without having to continuously press the control stick. Also, the Mavic 3 Classic comes with O3 Plus that can transmit the video in a distance of up to 15 kilometers, whereas the Air 2S has a 12-kilometer transmission range. Regarding battery life, the Mavic 3 Classic lets you fly it for up to 46 minutes. Also, this drone is compatible with other Mavic series batteries, so if you own another Mavic drone, you can use it to fly the Mavic 3 Classic. On the other hand, the Air 2S offers up to 31 minutes of flight time, so if you want to get more creative footage without worrying about battery life, you can go for the Mavic 3 Classic. Let's see how much difference they have in the price tag. Well, the Mavic 3 Classic only is available at $1,469, and if you add DJI RC and one remote, the price will bump to $1,599. On the other hand, you can buy the Air 2S by spending $999, and this we think the Air 2S is a great deal considering its price tag and the features you're getting. In short, there is a huge price gap between these two drones, yet both drones are surprisingly amazing. The biggest sacrifice on the Mavic 3 Classic is 28 times digital zoom, but that doesn't matter for some users. Even without a telephoto lens, we think the Mavic 3 Classic is overkill for a regular drone user. So we would suggest going for the Air 2S, which is compact, powerful, and most importantly comes at a less price compared to the Mavic 3 Classic. That's all from us for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.